Hi guys. So,
Hi.
say your name.
Grace.
So, today we are in Karura, as you have seen, and we have paid 100 shillings at the entrance. That's the only requirement. And we want to go and explore. We don't. Okay, personally, this is my first time. I've never been here. She has been here, but we came through the gate C.
A.
This is gate A. Gate A is in along Limuru Road. So, personally, I've never been to Karura. She has been there, but using the gate C, the one in Kiambu Road. So yeah, we are going to explore with you guys and see what we have here. Like, I've seen so many videos from here, but I've never actually been here. So yeah, let's go to another adventure. Yeah, so let's see what we find. We are actually looking for a cave and a waterfall and some lake. We've seen it.
Something.
Yeah, we've seen it's called Lily. I think Lily Lake. So yeah, let's see what we can get out here in the woods. It's actually scary, but it's so. I love the danger.
Wow. I love the danger.
Danger is beautiful. So let's explore Karura Forest. Haya. Let's go for an adventure. So we have seen a direction to, don't know if we are going to the right direction, but we are chasing Lily Lake. Lily Lake. So it's very confusing actually when you're in here, because first of all, if you don't know how to read direction, you're going to be to be lost. So we are looking for Lily Lake. So I'm thinking this is the Lily Lake. It doesn't look the way it looks in the pictures though. So let's look for an entrance. So when they said Lily Lake, I thought it's a very big lake with lilies. There, I don't see. I don't see. I thought it's a big lake. So I thought Lily Lake was something big and fancy. Turns out Lily Lake is just a swamp. It's not a lake. And we are now chasing the waterfall and the caves and any other adventure we can get here. But I hope you're not going to get disappointed. I thought that was a lake, like a big lake. It's just a waterfall. No, not a waterfall, just a swamp. So for us who love danger, we don't know where to go. We have a better view of the Lily Lake. This is not a lake. This is not even, this is just a swamp. Okay, let's view.
Who and who?
Hmm?
A and C.
Sam and Tina were here.
A and C. Mombi. Hi, Mombi.
Imani plus J.
Kush and Ben. Kush loves Ben.
Somebody, and then kuna
Manu and she. Indo loves it.
Oh.
Manu and she.
now this is the better view of the Lily Lake. And now this is more of a bigger swamp. So we have found one cave and a waterfall. So we are going to look for some other caves. So we are done with the hiking. We've been hiking for the last like 4 hours. We are finding our way back home. You can hear the noise. We're finding our way back home, and we are going for like, we have walked like for more than 3 kilometers, and that's, we have to go back 3 kilometers again. After walking for 3 hours, tulianza walk lini? So we started walking from 10 a.m. Now it's 3 p.m. I'm worn out. She's not.
I am.
You're not, but you're not worn out. Me, I'm worn out. So we've walked from, we're going back to Gate C, Limuru Road.
Gate A.
Oh, Gate A, Limuru Road. Just a different route than the one we came from. The one we came from. And so we went to the caves and where else?
The waterfall.
The waterfall. Though the waterfall, I think it's because it's on a Sunday, so the waterfall was a bit crowded. Yeah, we'll come on a day when we are just a few people. Today is a day out for everyone. Also tell me why everyone is with their loved ones today. It's making us feel uncomfortable here. So that was our...
That is a beautiful thing.
Yeah, it's a beautiful thing, but also this forest, they're giving me a certain vibe of a certain series. It's giving Vampire Diaries. It's giving Vampire Diaries. We're in the woods right now, so I don't know if there's anything else I'm supposed to be showing you, but if it don't show you anything else, adios.